we going?
We're going to one of her favorite museums.
One of her to go.
Okay, her to go
I
museum.
don't even go in there, it's my favorite.
And it's Louisiana Museum, yes.
그냥.
She's gonna kill me if I don't remember.
Yes.
Look at her. She is so cold.
Triple layer.
But she is gonna do it for fashion.
Yeah, refuse to bring jacket.
MG said that
그래, baby boomer. I look so pale. Lipstick.
oh yeah, you didn't. What's the number?
314.
Okay, we're gonna change drinks.
Oh shit, I closed the thing. We need to go to the health soon. Hey, why cannot open this? No? Show me, sir. If you're gone, I think I'm more scared than I gone. I was scared, you scared more than I scared.
Crazy!
I cannot walk in front of you, I need to drag you along. Did you go there with you?
Yes.
Oh, laugh.
We run until so
Bye, 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 bye.
I think there's a button. See that button? I think you're supposed to press that. Kampong look. Please don't die.
Because I scared I lost you more than I lost myself. Otherwise, I think I can go back. That's shit.
Okay, let's go in.
Master Chef has been knocked out. She have no feels, no thoughts. All she wanna do is eat. But she have to wait for the
Crazy!
yeah.
Okay guys, today what we eating today?
要不然这样啊？
今天是新加坡
我也可以可以的，马来西亚人。
wrong. design in Japan but made in Hong Kong 啊。都而家大家好，今日我煮咩？煮咩
Tokyo Ramen。
？Tokyo Ramen 啊！
大家覺得呢？
覺得咩？覺得咩？
你覺得？
你覺得咩？
你覺得？
覺得咩
？You know sometimes you will talk and you will say 你覺得
？Crazy.
Put one first then we taste the soup. Chef put in. Why you asking the sous chef?
Sous chef must help what?
Help not give instruction.
Crazy. Sous chef complain so much 啊！我哋
Cantonese。
誒，今日你 complain 咁多嘅？
今日
我咩？
我 cooking salad 係
買翻嚟。
我中意。買翻嚟啦。
係some noodle 啊，noodle 係3分鐘。At soup bake. Wait, you're supposed to cook the noodles first. I didn't know that.
So I'm making me no.
근데 나 soup base 먼저.
Okay, then put the soup base up to you.
Okay, up to me. 3-star because who? I'm the chef.
What you trying to do? Show. What you trying to do?
Look very runny. How to? I'm not used to it. Usually just. Oh, okay. You don't press so hard, it's runny.
I pressed it already. Oh shit.
Actually, I think I'm going to wash the look at the noodles I want to use. You're very crack already.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, are you done already?
Yes.
Sorry, distracted already.